What up, YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. Guys, it's early in the morning. I'm sorry if I sound kind of groggy. But you know what, guys? I'm excited because today, several things. One, I'm in town. And it's a beautiful day. Let's see here if we can, I don't know if any of you guys can see any of that or not, but it's just a little cloudy from this morning. But guys, so I'm in town. It's a beautiful day, and it's the first Saturday of the month. So you know what that means? That's right. Cars and Coffee, Franklin, Tennessee. First one in like 5 months, because like ever since like March, it snowed that Saturday. Every Saturday since then, it's been raining or thunderstorming or something, and they just haven't really had a show. So what we're hoping for is that all the exotics come out today and attend the show. And guys, I plan on trying to get as much video as I can of the supercars for you, as long as any other cars that are there, just because I love cars, period, right? Supposed to have several of my boys going with me today. However, a couple of them, you know, had other obligations. And, you know, life just happens, you know. And guys, but there's going to be plenty more car shows that we will get to attend with us, and we look forward to that. And once again, guys, I'm sorry if I'm mumbling my words and everything. I'm tired. It's literally 5:20 in the morning. I'm waiting on my nephew to come pick me up, and we're going to head up there. And you know, hopefully Sammy and Raj, you know, maybe we'll see you, or not Raj, AJ and Sammy, hopefully we'll see you here from Auto Lux. If not, then, you know, man, your fault, right? Anyway, that's just a little shout out for you guys. I don't know if you're going to show up or not, but Sean and Kenneth, like I said, plenty more car shows to come, guys. So don't worry about this weekend. We will have plenty more. And, you know, Matt, I'm sorry you can't make it. Guys, go check out Matt Hornbuckle at Hornbuckle Auto Detailing. He had prior obligations. He's actually doing vets with vets at Cabela's today here in Huntsville. So, you know what, guys? If you're going to stay in town, go check him out at Vets and Vets. I think it starts at 8 o'clock today. So you guys go enjoy that. We'll holler at you later. Here goes a whole line of them.
That's a Maybach. That's a Daddy. That's a Maybach. Daddy, that's a Maybach. That's a Maybach, man. Never heard of it. See? You never heard of Maybach?
Yep. Wow. And then there's a 520 and the Ferrari. No, I was right. Cold start, baby. Cold start on a Demon. Do it for the vlog.
My grandma pushes it harder than that.
Whoa. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Just has a body kit on it.
It's like that car versus that car. He was like talking.